I did get some requests for Amazon. I wanted to run it against the ChatGPT model. For those of you guys that are new, I've been training a ChatGPT 4 model over the last 2 weeks or so to give me accurate predictions on the stock market prices. So far, it's been 95% accurate, I'd say. Definitely a lot higher than I expected. It's been calling things like, Bitcoin, SPY, Meta, not yet. Shopify, Baba, PLTR, Intel. It's been doing an extremely good job at calling, prices, right? It literally just called Barnes & Noble. I did Barnes & Noble about a week ago and the ChatGPT said it was going to hit $1. It just hit that today, right? So if you would have bought Barnes & Noble back when back when my model said, hey, I think this is going to $1, it was back at 45 cents. So you would have made 100% gain in less than a week. Right now for Amazon, it is looking like it's predicting a $200 price level for Amazon, which is actually a lot higher. It's actually breaking highs, right? So what I like to do personally is I like to go, right? So $200 price target on Amazon. I like to go into my indicators for a nice little bias, right? Because I do think that, my indicators are ridiculously accurate, right? Look at that. Green bubble, you would have bought in at 178, ran this all the way up to 190, right? And if we're looking at this on the 4 hour, I would definitely take longs now, considering you just broke 183, right? This open of 183.08. So I would definitely say that right now, Amazon has a really good chance at, if it doesn't top out at 183.95, you're looking at 186.16. So Amazon that open, I would definitely very, very, very be interested. I'd be very interested in Amazon. But again, so far right now, right on the 24 hour, it's been pretty accurate. It looks like it's curling up to go past this again. My current targets are 187, 189. The AI thinks we're going to $200, which is a super huge push to the upside. And I do think that if Amazon goes, Shopify is also going to go. And I do think that Shopify is getting ready to absolutely just like demolish everything. And again, Shopify, the AI predicted, I think anywhere between 60 to 65. And I think the push on Shopify and Amazon, because they're both retail e-commerce, right? I do think they are getting ready to move. So we'll see what happens. Amazon to $200. I do think it's getting ready to push super hard. Currently, I am in Tesla calls. I think I made like 80% yesterday. We'll see where we at open, because at open right now, Tesla came, it dropped, right? But I do think Tesla's getting ready to move up again. Maybe, right? If it closes above 183.10. But again, just wanted to let you guys know, Amazon 200. We'll see. Bye-bye.